It's day 3 of the Nulane criminal trial, with evidence picking up a pace and some of it packing a punch. Section 204 witness Shadrack Cezula from the Free State Agriculture Department is now on the stand. He's testified as to what he did as the acting manager of supply chain management back in October 2011. He's made an astonishing claim about how the department logged the banking details of Nulane investments. Erin Bates has more. She joins us now from court. Erin, good afternoon to you. What claims being made here?
Cezula claims that he was with the then CFO of Agriculture in the Free State, Saipati Dlamini, and together they had had a meeting. She dictated a deviation document to him. He said that she furnished him with this letter from the New Delhi Indian company that dealt in ferrous and non-ferrous scrap metal, and it was part of a bigger group that wanted to work with the Free State government over Mohuma Mobung. And he said that she didn't have the banking records of Nulane investments in a formal document, but that together they walked to the financial department for the Free State government, and that on his version she had the banking details for Nulane investments handwritten on a piece of paper. And that's how Nulane investments, he says, was introduced into the system, even though it wasn't listed as an earmarked service provider by the Free State government. And then an earmarked payment of 12 million rand, which forms part of that total 24.9 million rand at issue here in this High Court matter, got into the system.
We have maintained a posture that says, as a leader, a citizen, I should not preempt what the court is going to preside over, and I believe that I should also be given an opportunity to put my side of the story without really making anybody feel disrespected in this case. So I stand firm to my commitments that I will cooperate with the law and allow this case to see this day. I think people have been accusing me for all this time without facts. We are here. I will be glad if everybody will be exemplary as I am.
Stephen, if you're wondering why you're seeing former MEC of Agriculture and Rural Development in the Free State and former Mineral Resources Minister Mosebenzi Zwane there, that's because earlier today, under a different case number, he and some of the co-accused from the Nulane matter were in court. This for some brief deliberations over paperwork and to set another pre-trial date in that state capture matter, set down for the 21st of April 2023 next year. Of course, there is some relationship between these two cases because they center around allegations of fraud, corruption, money laundering and state capture in the Free State. And as he was leaving court this morning between those two cases, we did raise some questions with Zwane, including his view on his position within the ANC, his view on the Zondo Commission and taking its findings on review since he's been recommended for prosecution, and his payment for his legal fees. He says he's paying out of his own pocket in the moment, even though he's been charged in relation to conduct during his capacity in the Free State government. And at this stage, he's not planning on challenging that and hoping to get it bankrolled by the province here.
Erin Bates, thank you very much indeed. Our reporter in the High Court in Newzroom.